Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are creating this avatar character, and the first thing that we're doing is we are painting our full face blue. Now this is the Snazaroo blue face paint, and after I've done this I do go over it all with some blue eyeshadow. I do go in with a dark blue and a light blue just to give it that kind of different effect. And I'm also taking a white eyeshadow in the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm making them really bright because avatars have like really bright big massive eyes, so I'm creating that effect. And I'm just taking some blue eyeshadow all around my face. I'm using some light under the eyes, I'm using some dark, I'm mixing it up. You could create a completely different colour avatar, it doesn't have to be blue. I just wanted to try this because I haven't done it yet. And now I'm just using a dark blue eyeshadow. You can use any dark blue eyeshadow, and I'm just using small detail brushes. Now this could be eyebrow brushes, liner brushes, anything like that, and I'm just following the design. Now I was looking at a picture for this of the Avatar movie. I was looking at one of the characters from that, so yeah. So this is me creating the kind of design for the forehead. Now I'm just doing like a kind of diamond shape, then I'm doing a kind of triangle at the top. And I wanted to do the eyes really big and bold, so I'm doing like a really dark blue wing, but I'm just smoking out the outer edge of the wing, and I'm leaving like most of the eye just stark white to make it look really bright and really bold. Now I'm just going in with a dark blue eyeshadow again, and I'm just using an eyebrow brush, and I'm just creating the kind of avatar design. Now again, I was just following a picture that I was looking at, so you could do this any way that you want, but this is just the kind of style design that I went for. So first off, I'm just creating the avatar lines down my face with a dark blue eyeshadow. Then I do go back and I kind of smudge it out with a dark purple and a black just to give it a kind of dark contrast. Then I do go ahead and I just take a shading brush and I just start shading it out a little bit to give it a little bit of thickness. This is just me shading in the lines with a dark purple and a black shadow just to give it that kind of depth, and then I do go around it all with a shader brush, and I'm using the same blue and then a light blue as well just to give it that kind of contrast. So I'm going back to this little diamond shape that I've created in the middle of my forehead, and we're just shading everything in. This is a really simple but effective look, and it did take me a couple hours to do. I really wanted to do like the hair and everything else and the contacts, but you should have seen the drama I was having with that, so that is just not going to happen. Here I'm just shading in the little lines with a shader brush, and I'm using a light blue shadow. It's just to give it a kind of contrast effect so it looks like the lines are quite 3D. I'm going back and forth and I'm darkening that up, and I'm just adding more details. Now I'm just going back to the eyes and I'm just shading in that outer corner there, and I'm just using a dark blue eyeshadow, and we're just doing like a really big long wing. And I'm going back and forth with the face, just making it have a little bit of dimension and depth and stuff with different colours of blues. Now I'm taking this right down the top half of my body, and I'm just doing the same, guys. I'm just going over my body with some Snazaroo face paint. I didn't put as much detail into the body, I just kind of quickly done it just so it looks like an all-in-one kind of look. And again, just some dark blue for the avatar stripes. I'm using a thicker brush here, so the body isn't exactly neat, but it is Halloween after all, so it doesn't have to be neat. And again, I'm just doing the same kind of technique that I've done on the avatar face to the body. Now I'm just taking a white Snazaroo face paint and I'm going in with a little dotting tool that came in a little nail kit. And I'm just adding some white dots. Now I'm putting them just above like the top of the avatar stripes here. And I'm doing the same for every single stripe. I do a nice white stripe down the front of the face as well, like down the forehead and down the nose. Then I'm just continuing these dots all over the body as well. Now I don't know where my white eyeliners went, my good one, so I'm just putting some white face paint kind of liner in my eyes. Now I did actually previously try putting the contacts in before this, but I didn't do it on camera, but it was just an absolute mess. My eyes were watering and everything, and they were so red, as you can probably see, so we didn't go ahead with that. But putting in some cool colourful contacts and doing your hair all cool and funky would make this look 100 times better. But for me, guys, you are just going to have to stick with the makeup because I'm absolutely hopeless at hair and contacts. My eyes are bad enough as well, actually. I do need glasses for driving. My eyesight's ridiculous. Taking the P. Louise lip drip in the shade Fairest of Them All. Now it's a really nude lip gloss, and I'm putting that on the lips and I'm putting that on the nose area, and that is this look. I hope you guys love it. I fairly enjoyed creating this little avatar, something I haven't done before, and I've always said I'm going to create that, so yeah, I was pretty chuffed with it. Again, guys, you could go completely crazy with this look, but I hope I inspired some of you guys, and do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.